Hi everybody, welcome back to my garden. Now everybody knows that this time of the year, winter's over, there are jobs to be done, lots and lots of jobs to be done in your garden. Now this is one of my important ones I have to do every year. This conifer is right in front of our conservatory and it does block our light out quite a bit and our view. So I'd just like to give it a little bit of a trim, a little bit of a tidy up, once, maybe twice a year. So that's my job for today. I'm going to show you how I do it and maybe it will help somebody along the way. And to help me on the way, I've got these battery hedge clippers here. Bosch ones, pretty good. I've had them for years. Battery still works. Just have to move these yuccas out of the way. These are quite good. They've survived the winter quite well. Spanish dagger. Very tropical. They look good. Grow quite big. You can lose them if it's a very harsh winter, but they've struggled through this year and we've had some frosts. Unfortunately this year it seems to have a little bit of a dead spot just here. Don't know what's caused that. It's very old, this tree. Very old. I might have to sort of gently clip that out, because when you trim these, when you cut these back, you mustn't go past the green, not really, because it won't regrow from old wood that's down in there. So just have to give it a little light trim really. But I might have to take that little bit off, just to smarten it up a bit. Of course, when you're doing a bit of pruning this time of the year, you have to be a little bit careful that there's not any birds nesting in there. Now this is very close to the house. Don't get birds nesting here at all, ever. They're a little bit too shy, if you know what I mean. They prefer the bushes and things that are further up the garden, so they've got a little bit more privacy to build their nests and lay their little eggs. Well, that's it. That looks so much better. Now it just needs a bit of cleaning up, and what I use is one of these garden hoovers, and here it is. Now this should really make short work of the tidying up that I've got to do. The shorter the better, I think, don't you? Well, that's it. That's another job done. There's always jobs in a garden to do, but they're worthwhile. And I've done a fantastic job here that should hopefully last this year out, and I'll do it again next year. Thanks so much for watching this latest video of mine. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll see you all again next time. Bye for now. Oh, I've missed a bit.